with Timber, day 6. It's a beautiful day. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of wandering around. Right now we are walking near this big kind of like monument. She's taking a picture of me. Yeah, we're just wandering around. We're gonna try and see some clothing shops and yeah, just walk around. We're back in this market. It's like a huge, well, it's not like super huge, but it's a market where they have clothing and shoes and different levels. Lots of people are out today. We're going through these small aisles here. Good? Yeah, I'm good. Wandering around, just looking. Ooh, this is so me. Do you have it? Okay. Come on. We're trying something new on the street and the ladies think that I'm Indian. And they were saying that I have beautiful lips. At least that's in the words of Annie. Do you know what this is called?
No.
Okay, we don't know what we're eating, but we're trying something new and different.
Some peanuts.
Yeah, it has peanuts.
Two different kinds.
You don't know what it is?
I had it before.
We don't know what we're eating.
I don't know the name of it. My mom made it before.
Yeah.
Take it, like, yeah, and then bite it.
Bite it?
Bite it.
What is it though?
It's inside of some kind of bean.
Okay. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Like how? She told you to like, yeah, to scare it.
Take your time. There's something, some kind of black.
It looks scary. I don't want this too big.
You don't want it too big?
No.
I don't want the filling to drop out.
Okay, I'll just take a bite.
Take a bite.
Yeah.
They tell you what to do.
It tastes like ginger. It's good. It's good. I taste ginger a lot. It's good. It has peanuts, something black, which we don't know what it is.
This is, I think it's a mung bean. I think mung bean inside.
It's actually really good.
They're talking about what if your hands make. Same discussion over here.
Yeah, we hear the same thing every day.
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Oh,
I think it's mung bean.
Okay, this time I'll be more brave and take a bigger bite.
Okay. You don't have to take a small bite.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that one.
You like it more than the other one?
I like both. I like the texture of that one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really good.
Keeps talking about how you like, oh, he has a look of a money maker, a money collector.
I'm a money collector, but I don't have no money. Where's the money? That was really good. It was very gingery, coconutty, really good flavor, and peanutty. A good combination. I thought it was a pancake. She's making an omelet. Oh man, we tried to come visit my puppy. Do you guys remember the puppy where we were in the shop trying to look for a contact solution? And there was a puppy on the table, but it's not there, so puppies in Vietnam. Like, I know all the spots to go visit all the puppies. There's a funeral going on over there. This is the little post office. They have a little postal box right here. And then everyone's in there trying to send mail. If you come to this church, this is the perfect place to people watch. There's people taking pictures of themselves, and there are people, now it's like after school time, so there's people over there playing with the ball. Just a lot going on, so perfect place to people watch. I don't know if any of you are like me, I like to people watch. There's just like so much going on. I like that. We're in Domino's now, and we got pizza. We went with the chain because we don't want to be disappointed this time. We got buy one, get one free.
This is yours.
Yeah. They look so small. I'm used to like American sized pizza. This is the largest size they have. This is a chili sauce.
They deliver these in these like
To go?
so they don't have to do this.
Yeah. It has peppers, pineapple, onion. It's better than the last one we got. It doesn't taste as good as like I'm used to when it comes to Domino's, but it's good. It's better than the last one we got for sure. It comes with extra tomato sauce. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you're having a good day. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and you would like to see more. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Today I want to share with you guys how I make fail-proof rice.